Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house. And today I've got the Mercury Knives Logan Damascus here with me for a quick review. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content. So let's just do a quick unboxing of this guy. You have a nice box with a nice Mercury pouch, Italian flag going on over here. And you've got a leaflet with some informations about the evolution, the designing of the Logan, which is a very interesting knife, guys. I have to say, classic pouch right over here, nylon bag, and you have your knife right over here. So this is a pretty interesting one. It is not a small one because it's going to be 8.2 inches overall with a 3.87 inch long blade and a 4.5 inch long handle. This is the Damasteel version. You can find also the regular D2 blade version with also G10 presentation scales in some different colors than other than black. This is a very interesting liner lock for a couple of reasons. One is if you see like the backspacer here is integrated with the lock side, so it's just a solid chunk of titanium, beautifully milled out, nice design. I like actually the billboarding going on the back like this. Everything else is pretty clean. You've got a G10 scale, titanium liner lock right over here with a disappearing pivot technology kind of thing. In fact, you don't see anything here because it was milled out from the inside, and the screw, the pivot screw over here, it just screws into like the thread which has been milled out from this very solid chunk of titanium over here, which contributes to make the lock side of this knife, which is a clever idea and gives like a pretty clean and sterile look of the lock side. Nice Warncliffe blade, very dense pattern here for this Damasteel. You've got flat grind, almost full belly, nice sharpening choice, super slicer. This is like a laser. It's so beautifully done, great geometry, nice plunge grind, beautiful crowning going on over here, thumb stud right over there for pretty quick opening mechanism. Blade is center. You have a reversible titanium pocket clip. You can just unscrew this guy, twist it 180 degrees, and you're done. Very interesting deep carry pocket clip design solution, lanyard hole. I mean, it's a pretty cool one, guys. It's weighing in at 3.2 ounces. Has some interesting ergonomics going on. It's not like super comfortable, but it is actually doable. Also, the sound this guy makes is pretty unique. If you ask me, it's a unique sound. The action is a little bit on the slow side because this guy is running on Teflon washers. But hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.